In this video, I'll show you how to contact the Xbox support team fast and easy. Whether it's a frozen console, subscription trouble, or account recovery, I've got the step-by-step guide to get you back in the game, even if you're struggling with Xbox login issues, game errors, billing problems, or simply want to know how to call Xbox. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech tips. Now, let's get started. First, go to support.xbox.com and click Contact Us. Select your issue, like account and login or hardware troubleshooting. Describe your problem briefly, then click Next. You'll see options to chat online, request a callback, or message the community. Note that chat is available 24/7 and is the fastest way to get help. If you're locked out of your account, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. But if that doesn't work, try this next method. For urgent issues, call Xbox support at 1-800-469-9269. This is perfect for billing disputes, warranty claims, or hardware repairs. Be ready with your console serial number and account details. You might want to call during weekdays for shorter wait times. This works for subscription issues, refund requests, or even pre-sales questions. But what if you're not in the US? I've got a global solution for you. If you prefer not to call or chat, you can tweet your issue to @Xbox Support on Twitter now X. Remember to include your gamertag and problem details. They often reply within hours. You can also post in the Xbox community forums for help from experts and other gamers. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue. Here are some important tips to save you time. Always have your gamertag and console serial number ready. Check for known outages on Xbox's status page. Use incognito mode to avoid browser glitches. For game errors, try reinstalling or clearing the cache first. And that's how you reach Xbox support. To explore more Microsoft Xbox video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.